Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to show you a full step-by-step quick weave hair tutorial using Sensational's Pearlish 100% virgin Remy hair. This amazing hair comes in a multi-pack and I'll be working with lengths of 10, 12, and 14 inches. Let's get started.
Look me in my face, 'cause you know you are home, girl.
So first things first, we need a solid foundation. I am working with freshly washed and blow dried hair. What I'm doing right now is I am parting my hair in the middle for my leave out. The key part of this is starting with a braid down pattern that is crucial for a flat and secure quick weave. Make sure your braids are neat and tight, as this will help the weave lay smoothly. With the braiding pattern that I'm going to be doing, I am going to, like I said, part my hair in the middle for my leave out at the top, but I'm also going to leave out my edges. So I am going to part around the perimeter of my head. That way my edges aren't being tugged back into my braids. However, you can actually gel your edges into your braid pattern just to keep them nice and tight and neat for a longer period of time with this quick weave. However, I'm not going to do that because I wanted mine to actually be flowy, and I wanted to be able to style my baby hairs in any way possible that I may feel like would benefit the look. Also in my braided pattern, what I'm doing is I am combining the braid at the end with the next braid that you see me working on. I'm going to do that all around my head, so that way in the end I am only left with one braid. So next, I'm going to secure my ball cap. This step is very important to protect your natural hair from the glue that we will be using later. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew the perimeter of the cap to my braids to keep it firmly in place. This ensures that it doesn't move while we're applying the tracks. I actually used a lot of thread and I double knotted it just to ensure extra protection and make sure that this ball cap does not move. Now that the ball cap is secure, I'll create a protective layer on top of the cap. This step is important because we'll be using track glue and we want to ensure that no glue touches our natural hair. Otherwise, we're going to be some bald betties this summer. I'm also making sure that I cover all areas where the glue will be applied, as well as in the perimeter of where I stitch the hair, as well as slightly on top of that stitching, because I wanted to make sure that these tracks are laid as closely as possible to the stitching area to give more of a natural finish. So what I did was I went ahead and I blow dried the protective layer on top of my head for about 15 to 20 minutes to ensure that that casing was set and firm. That way no glue was touching our hair. Now I'm going to cut off the excess whip cap, and I'm not going to cut exactly where I sewed because I don't want that thread to come up. I'm just solely going to cut the extra off. So I won't lie to you guys, I did have my husband come and help me with this video because I wanted to ensure that there were no gaps in the back of my hair, and I wanted to have some eyes in the back of my head. So yes, for this video, I actually did teach my husband how to do a quick weave. So you will see him momentarily help me lay my tracks. Okay, so let's move on to preparing our bundles. I have Sensational's Pearlish 100% Virgin Rummy hair in 10, 12, and 14 inches. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. It's a 15A grade, meaning it's completely human hair without any synthetic fibers. It's straight, smooth, silky, and has a beautiful natural luster. So what I did to teach my husband was I told him to measure it around the nape of my neck because I wanted to come right up behind my ears. And for the first couple layers, that's where I had him lid. So I'll start by cutting the bundles to fit the sections of my head. Remember to start with the longest length, which is 14 inches at the nape of your neck. Now it's time to really start laying these tracks. So like I said, I'm starting with the 14-inch bundle at the back. I'm applying a thin layer of glue to the track and I'm pressing it firmly onto the protective cap. So I used all three bundles. I actually did use majority of the 14-inch at the bottom of my hair, and I literally only had like maybe 3 inches worth of a piece left, and then that's when I moved on to the 12 inches, and then I literally only had maybe about 6 inches worth of that, and then I moved on to the 10-inch, which I have a small head, so 3 bundles is a lot, but I wanted this hair to be very full, and I really wanted a layered look. This is me also telling my husband where to lay the tracks now. So I am going in a U motion now at the very top of the wig cap. This also helps with layering. It makes layering a lot easier actually too when you position the hair this way. So though we already have different lengths, I feel like using the 14-inch and bringing it up to the top of my head also provides self-made layers. and shout out to Mamacita Mimi 1997 here on YouTube for requesting this video. You really took me out my comfort zone with this. This was my very first quick weave, and girl, I like it because I really didn't have to do it, but my husband did, and I'm glad I taught him how to do it. So I mean, essentially I know how to do it, but I taught him how to do it. You know, I didn't know how to do it. Yeah, like that. But thank you so much for requesting this video, girl. I did this one just for you. I hope you love it. So after I laid all the tracks in place, it's time for the final touches. You can style this hair honestly as desired. I love how smooth and tangle free this pearlish hair is. It made styling super duper easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to double press my leave out and my edges. And I'm going to use my wax stick as well as the chi and or chai, depending on how you pronounce it, silk infusion. And I'm going to, like I said, double press my hair with the hot comb and then the flat iron. Honestly, what I did was because I kind of wanted some cute, like layered ends. I don't even know the exact style name for it, but you guys will see once I cut the hair. But this is the style I wanted to go for. I wanted to go for something very natural, especially for this summer. I didn't want nothing that was going to be too high maintenance for myself. And I feel like this hair honestly gave the perfect style for it with these layered ends. And there you have it, a beautiful quick weave using Sensational's Pearlish 100% virgin Remy hair. This hair is not only stunning, but also durable, shed-free, and tangle-free. Perfect for any style you want to achieve, literally. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, definitely let me know down in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.